What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing again?
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
So today we're going to be working on the truck. Like I said, we're going to start converting a lot of the bulbs out to LEDs, and that's what we're going to do. Today we're going to be doing the cargo light, or the bed light. It's the two white lights up in the third brake light. And then also we're going to be doing the license plate lights. I don't know how well you can see them, but there's one on this side and one on that side. So what we'll do first is we will do the license plate lights first. They are probably the easiest ones. Actually, all of them are easy. It's just these ones are just twist out, pull out, and then pop the bulb out. So let me get the bulbs out, get it ready, and then I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so what I did was I turned them on for you guys so you can see what they look like for before and after. As you can see, they're not bright at all. The regular halogen bulbs, you can see how dim they are, and it doesn't really light up the license plate that well. So we went with from Aux Beam, not sponsored though, which would be nice. Which would be nice. So these are going to be a lot brighter. It is a white color, so it's going to illuminate this a lot better. So what I'll do is I'll replace this one now, which this one's out already. So I'll replace this one with the LED and then show you a comparison between the two. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys can see this, but this plug here, all it does is just you push it in and twist it and it locks in. And it's the same thing to undo it. You just twist it and pop it out. Also too, ow, halogen gets really hot. So, ow, you probably shouldn't leave the bulb on. Alright, so I just put the bulb in now. So as you can see, halogen, LED. You can tell it's a lot brighter. What I'll do too is also tonight I will do a to show you how much brighter it is. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move up to the cargo light up there and change out those bulbs. So guys, there's going to be two screws. They're torque screws. There's one here and one here. So don't do what I do. Don't use a drill to take these off or on. You could potentially cross thread the screws, or if you over tighten it with this, which you can crack that plastic housing. They're not the strongest, so if you over torque it, they will crack and then they start to leak. So don't do what I do. If you can, just use the torque screwdriver that you can feel the tension with your hands, not with this. But that's what YouTube's all about, is learning from our mistakes. So we screw something up and then you guys know not to do that. So what we'll do is we'll take these out. Like I said, it's just two screws, and then there's a few clips on the inside holding it in. So like I said, it's just some plastic clips. You just pull it, it pops right out. Then you have your two light bulbs here are for the clear lights. The one in the middle is for your third brake light. So these are easy. You just twist it and it pops right out. Twist it, pops right out. And then same thing, went with Aux Beam. And then these are the lights here. That's the code number for it. What I'll do is I'll replace one of them, show you guys the difference between them. Like I said, these are just pull outs. You just pull it out and then you just push the new ones in, just like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go turn them on and see if they... Alright, so as you can see, halogen. Let's see if I can try to block some of the light. Not that bright. but you can automatically see how bright the difference is between the two. So I'll put these in, I'll get the other one in, get this sealed up, and you guys can see how bright it is. As you may know, if you guys do have a Chevy, these aren't bright. They hardly even light up your actual bed. They really suck at night. So I will do night views of the third brake light and the license plate lights. So let's get this other one installed. Let me get you set up here. So again, try not to do this or leave the halogen bulbs on, because they do get really hot. And it really sucks to take them off when they're hot. And again, you just take the other bulb and just plug it in, and then on. And then to put them back in, you just put them in the housing and twist. Put it in the housing and twist. And then as you can see, they're both on. All right, and then to put it back on, just put it back up. Remember, you got to find the clip holes. Once you found that, it pops right in, and then you put the screws back in. Now remember what I said, make sure you guys use the screwdriver Torx on this. Don't use this, because if you over tighten it, you will crack it. I just go until it stops. And that's it. And that's back in. So you can see how much brighter that is. Well, actually, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but that looks so much better than the halogen bulbs that were in there. All right, we'll move on to the next thing now. So I screwed up. So I thought I ordered the bulbs for the taillights. I did not. They are a completely different size. So apparently I looked back at what I ordered it for, and I thought, so it's for this. It's actually for the third brake light in here. I don't know why I ordered two. I guess because it's in a pack, but I'm gonna have to take this back off again and replace the third brake light that's in here. It's the same bulbs as these. But hey, you know what? At least now I have a spare for it. So if one of these do go out, I have a spare. So, I guess you guys can watch me take this off again. I'll set you guys up. Again, try to use the screwdriver Torx, not the drill. Remember, oh, can break the plastic, or it can cross thread your screws. And you don't want to deal with that. Also, there's a tool, a tool that you can get back there, and it'll pop this off. But if you're really gentle, you can pop it off this way too, just like that. Again, we replaced these two. It's the middle one we're replacing now. So just pop that out. Oh, you can already see that's got a tint to it, so it's already burning out. So pull that out. We'll take this, pop this in. Now let's test that. Let's see if it works. As you guys just saw, it works. You just put it back in again, get it lined up with its holes, push it in, twist, done. Repeat the process. Put that on. Alrighty guys, that's it for the install process here. Like I said, all the bulbs that I ordered, they're through AuxBeam. Let me share the cover. AuxBeam.com. You just go in there, you type in your vehicle, what year, make, model, and then it gives you a drop-down menu of what you want to choose, from brake lights, reverse lights, to side marker lights, headlights, fog lights, you name it, it's on there. And they are cheap. They won't break the bank. They do work. I did have a problem with the headlights for my truck, but the company was great. They refunded me my money. Fortunately, they didn't have those bulbs in stock anymore. I would have to order from their Chinese warehouse, or China warehouse, which that would take way too long, especially with COVID going on. So I ordered from a different company, and those are what's in there now. But the fog lights are from AuxBeam, and I'm going to convert all the lights that are in my truck to AuxBeam, from halogen to LED, and I'm going to use AuxBeam for it. Like I said, I've only had, actually I did have another problem. I had a one of the fog light bulbs not work when I first got it, but they were great. They sent me out another one right away. It only took a couple of days for it to get here. So it is a great company to buy from. Like I said, I just want to get all these halogen bulbs switched over to LEDs. So what I'm going to do now is wait until nighttime, and then I'll show you guys what they look like at night. It should be a lot better. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but it definitely was a lot better. It was a lot brighter. So just gotta wait now. For you guys, it's only gonna be a couple of seconds. For me, it's a few hours. Like I said, it's only like 2:30 right now, so we got a little ways to go for darkness. Alrighty guys, it's nighttime now. Like I said, we're gonna test out the lights to show you how well they work. So we'll turn on the parking lights so you guys can see the license plate lights, and then we'll turn on the bed lights and see how well they work. I don't know how well you can see me, but that is so much brighter. God, that's a lot brighter. It really lights up my bed. Look at that. I know it's not shining that much into my bed because of the tonneau cover. If that wasn't there, this whole bed would be lit up. Then we'll go check the license plate lights. Whew. Yeah, that's definitely a lot brighter than the stock halogen bulbs. It's actually really bright. It's also a cleaner look too. You get like a nice white light. Like I said, I'm going to try to order the taillight bulbs. Also, I'm going to replace the front marker lights. We'll go check them out. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I want to replace these front marker lights with LEDs too. And then I might try out the high beams too. Get some LED high beams. Let me get you guys set up, and we'll see how bright that third brake light is. Just gotta turn off that, turn off that. All right, it's gonna get really dark. I'll get you guys set up here on the tailgate. See how bright that is. All right, and there you go, guys. That is all the LED lights for now. So what I'll do is post, if I get the lights in, I'll post that on Instagram. Also, if you guys saw, I have the rock lights now. It's gonna take a little bit for them to get them installed. I just got my truck back. I had my rims paint corrected, went through a car wash, and it scratched the rims pretty good. So I had a friend of mine do the rims, doing paint correction, get rid of all the scratches, and then ceramic coated them. So that took a while. So now I got my truck back. So now that I have it back, I'll start the rock lights, and I'm going to order those other LEDs too. But other than that, thanks again for coming out. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Also, make sure you share and subscribe too. I'll catch you guys later.
You decide if you ever